Hey everybody, this is Riff. How you doing out there? Hope everybody's doing great. I got a notice in my email tonight of the new Rlaarlo AK917, the new 1/10 scale on-road car that they're coming out with. And it looks interesting. I don't really have any on-road cars myself. Uh, and I thought this was something, different and pretty cool to check out. They been dropping hints about it for the last few weeks, and I wanted to see what you guys thought about it. So leave your comments below what you guys think about it. Looks like it might be interesting. The 1/14th scale buggy that I have by them was very well made, and really liked the carbon fiber chassis and stuff. It was a nice little vehicle. So tell me what you think. Everybody take care. Riff out.